Complex physical system designs can have many mechanical components and PCBs within the same system. In this demonstration, we will highlight the ability to manage both mechanical and electrical daughter cards directly in Assembly File Manager. For this example, you can see we currently have a main design EL100 and mechanical models already loaded in the system, but it's currently missing the main daughter card. We will start by importing the current assembly into the daughter card. You'll be able to see that we're joining the same session as designer A, who is currently open in the main PCB design. We can add the daughter card to the assembly and save our changes to propagate the PCB to the system so that the other designers can see the daughter card in their assembly. Now that the daughter card has been added to the assembly, we can review the board-to-board connections in the main design. Here in the main design, we'll go to the connector mapping and define the board-to-board connector reference designators to visualize the connectivity between the two designs, as well as see the net names between the connectors. Often, board-to-board connectors will have multiple connections that may make it difficult to view. We can use the same net filters that we do in the 2D view to filter the 3D net lines in our 3D view. This allows us to identify if there are any issues with specific nets across the two designs. In this case, you can see that we selected several pins from P210 to filter, so that we only see those connections in our 3D view. Now that we have validated the connectivity, we need to place the daughter card in the correct location in the system. In the main design, we're going to use the mating command to mate the surface of the two board-to-board connectors to align the board in the correct location. While we make changes to the orientation of the daughter card, the object is reserved, similar to mechanical objects if you move them. It's to prevent other designers from modifying the location of the object to ensure that both designs in the system are synchronized. Now that we are happy with the location of the daughter card, we can save our assembly file. In the daughter card, you'll see a notification that there have been updates to the location of the board. We can update the assembly and see the new location of our design in the system, as well as notifying other users in the system of changes of the location of a PCB or mechanical model. You can also update users on new locations of components that you've modified within your design to help identify interference issues. In the main design, we can move a transistor and save the project. Similar to the notification that the daughter card was updated, you will see that the main design has been updated and you can reload changes. With Assembly File Management, we are allowed to automatically update the design and stay in sync within the entire system throughout the entire design cycle.